Garden Tales Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Now, let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel on thumb. Apply on middle finger and pinky as well. Cure for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Apply this gel on index finger. Take out the 2-in-1 nail art pen from the kit. Use the dotting pen to create the effect. Apply on ring finger as well. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Let's apply nail charms. Take out the rhinestone glue. Apply a proper amount of rhinestone glue. Use the tweezer to pick up the nail charms and paste on thumb. We need the liner brush to fill the gap. You could customize your own style and paste on other fingers. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. The top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.